Hernan Longjian Electric Power Equipment Company Limited established in 2010. It is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of oil immersed power transformer, distribution transformer, furnace transformer, rectifier transformer, insulation transformer, cast resin dry type transformer, European type prefabricated box substation, American type combined transformer substation, high voltage and low voltage switchgear, distribution box, air ring network cabinet, and DC and AC EV charger. We also have the certificate and construction teams for the electric power construction project. Our company covers the total area of 66,666 square meters in 2 factories to produce the transformer, substation, and switchgear. We are located in Yaoling Advanced Manufacturing Industry Zone, Luoyang City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our factory has passed the certification of ISO 9001, AAA of credit grade, and National Construction of Electrical Installation General Contractor Qualification Certificate. Our products have passed the certification of CQC. We also obtained the test report, letter of patent. Quality is life. We are responsible for every product that leaves the factory. Our transformers, substation, and switchgear have been widely recognized by customers in Southeast Asia, Europe, Eastern Asia, Africa, South America, and other overseas markets. Steady quality, reasonable price, and after-sales service to win more confidence from the worldwide customers.